Welcome back, traders. Before the market opens, let's break down the key levels, market structure, and potential opportunities I'm watching this week. So we can come into the market with a plan and not emotions. So diving in, here is XAUSD. We'll starting with XAUSD as gold. From the daily time frame, we can determine that our bias is bearish because price have been moving downward. Price is moving downward after tapping into supply around this area. So going to the forward to determine our structure. Price tap into this supply. Tap into the supply. And as you're printing what? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So if price should continue downward, expect price to come and tap into any zone here. Let's go to the one. Let's see. This one, we have this point here. We have these points. And these points. So any sort of confirmation from this one, a sell might likely be possible. Oh, this one. So that's on XAUSD. Let's go to BTC. So BTC now, from the daily time frame, you notice that BTC have been moving upward after this daily low sweep. That is sweep here. This liquidity sweep. Price has been pushing upward on BTC. Going to the 4 hours to determine our structure. Notice there was a supply here. A supply in which price reacted from. But it seems that supply, after selling towards the side, so these are invalidation point. In any case, this thing shows that price might still sell price might still sell. But from the daily time frame, our current bias is what is bullish as a result of these higher highs, higher low, higher high. We have price reacted from this demand, forward demand. So expect price to take out this high. If price should continue, maybe create a sweep of this high or breaks below this demand to continue downward. So that's my take on BTC. No zone to be looking out for at this moment. USD. From the daily time frame, our bias shows that we are bullish. As a result of price pushing upward after tapping into this or taking sweeping this low. Price has been moving up, going to the forward to determine our structure. So identify our structure and key zone. So here is where our last breakup structure occurred. So we're waiting for price at this demand. Here is our invalidation point. So for price to continue upward, we don't expect price to close below this line. So this we will be waiting for GBP USD, Euro USD, if you can see in Euro USD, let's go to the daily time frame to know what we have. Euro USD has been consolidating. We're supposed to be selling on Euro USD. So a result of our bias, last week bias has been pushing downward. And for price to continue, expect price to come react from any zone here and push downward. Going to the forward to look at our structure. You notice that price has been consolidating. Price has been consolidating. Here is our supply. Price has been consolidating around the supply. This was our invalidation point. So after taking liquidity now, price so to this side. But as you can see, we are consolidating. So I'm not sure yet on where is it. For price to continue, I'll expect the market to close above this line, or I'm waiting for a reaction around this level. A reaction, some reaction around this zone that will signify that we are going up. But for now, the buying Euro USD is quite risky. I would expect for price to close above this line before I can take any buy on Euro USD. USD JPY, nothing much on USD JPY. Let's see. From the daily time frame, our bias is what is bearish after price tapped into this demand. Going forward for our structure, this price after pushing up now, price has been reacting from this supply. Price has been reacting for this supply, but we are still bullish. So I expect price to break above this line. So this is the draw on liquidity. In any case, I'll be waiting for Euro USD JPY around this demand. So this way I will be waiting for USD JPY. If price should eventually pull back to that side, on GBP JPY, notice we have been bullish on the daily time frame to get our structure on the 4-hour and key zone. So I'm waiting for here. Here is our last break of structure. I'm waiting for JPY at this demand. Here's our invalidation points. So for price to continue upward, don't expect price to close below this line. Wait for price here. As that's on JPY. And let's do one more pair here. Let's check on USD card. On the daily time frame, note the price has been moving downward. Price has been pushing down. Price has been pushing down. Now we have this demand here. So our buyers on USD card here is bearish. Going to the forward to check out the structure. So our last break of structure happened around here. So here's the supply if I want to wait for USD card. Okay, some sort of confirmation here. confirmation here around on 1 hour charts. If I see any value confirmation, I will go for a buy also, because this is a daily demand, whereby I have this breakout structure here that created the demand zone. So that's all for our weekly outlook. See you guys in my next video.